JOME Engineering is set up in UAE and specializes in the after-sales service for the marine and offshore industries. We are registered in all UAE ports for carrying out ship repair activities. Our workshop spans an area of 170,000 square feet and is equipped with the latest machineries. We have a highly skilled and experienced team of around 200 professionals working in the various divisions of our workshop. Our fabrication workshop is equipped to take up any type of marine, offshore, and industrial fabrication jobs. Our fabrication shop also includes blasting and painting facility. Our machine shop is equipped with the latest machineries to take up any type of marine and offshore refurbishment jobs. Piston crowns, exhaust valve spindles, cylinder heads and covers, various type of pumps and valve refurbishment. Various jobs carried out on CNC machines. Refurbishment of heat exchangers and plate cooler. Motor overhauls and rewinding. We also take up jobs in anchorage and sailing. We also have a dynamic balancing machine to balance all rotating parts. We also manufacture seat rings for various makes of cargo and ballast valves. Manufacturer of class-approved pilot ladders and embarkation ladders. Manufacturer of SS bellows, SS hoses, and different types of hydraulic hoses. JOME Engineering. Creating better service for tomorrow.